Hello everyone. Let me explain to you today, every day, an installation of the trunk platform. First, open the package and you will see these accessories. This is all one of its installation screws and some of its load gadgets. First, find this screw pack. There are 6 brackets and some screws inside. And then we find these 2 side panels. Secure with curved hexagon screws from front to back. The 3 brackets are in this direction. Don't get this wrong. Let me show you the effect after installation. Take out these 2 accessories. Then, please don't go in the wrong direction. The one with the little ears is facing outward. Fix the 8 screws in this direction. Fixed between these 2 accessories. Just tighten it up. After tightening, then insert it from back to front. Insert this about this position. After interspersing, then put this longer M8 screw. Match from the round hole of the body to the strip hole above. Find a piece of this L-shaped. And put it like this, a triangular piece. Then fix it with 2 screw holes. Front part, put this smaller L-shaped bracket. Then fix it with 2 screw holes in the same way. After installing this, put it. The screws of M6 are fixed to this base plate. 24 and 23 are a little different, so you can take a look at this one you bought. The installation looks like. I'll take a picture of this detail for you. L-shaped bracket, and this U-shaped connecting block. A connection method. Then find this hydraulic support connector. Stick the foot pad to the bottom. After sticking to the bottom surface, you can unscrew this first. After unscrewing it, then install it on the car like this. And U-shaped connecting blocks. The U-shaped connector comes with this plug. Pull the screw and fix these 3 keys first. After fixing it, pass this screw through here. Connect this connecting rod after going through it. I can show you the way of connecting the rod. Now without a desktop. The connection is like this. U-shaped connector. All M6 screws are M610. Can be on this one. There is only this M6*10 screw. These are all M6*10 screws. Find another connecting bracket for this L-shaped one. Fixed in roof. This position, and then you can connect this side expansion board. Next, find the top plate support. Then place on top. It connects to the mainframe first. Then it is installed by using 3 strip holes. You can take a look. Utilize 3 strip holes. Then this part. Everyone should pack in advance on this top tactical expansion board. After installing this bracket, install the largest top expansion board. Then there are 8 screws on one side in total. And then, this left leg clip is made of M44. And the snail caught on the left leg. The screw of the left leg clip is put together with it. Then find this one for the buckle and the clothes drying rod. The little module, and then it has 2 holes in the side. There are 2 holes on the side, and then the hole position. This hole must be facing directly behind this. Then it is convenient for this desktop to be lifted. Stuck in this position. Then there is an installation form like this. And there are 2 holes next to this. Then install this desktop connector block. Well, the second is this board. And 2 radio boards do not need to be installed. This customer needs to install, or friends need to install this. The radio is using this bracket, and then this one is an air pump and a board for the air pump. This is a gift and does not need to be installed. After all the parts are installed, just tighten all the screws. And then when everyone installed this tactical expansion board, be careful not to touch the roof. Otherwise, there will be an abnormal sound, and then everyone can knock it. Where is there any abnormal noise or something? Adjust it relatively, and finally install the desktop. There are 4 plum blossom screws on the desktop. Just fix it.